Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to do Ken burn effect on Filmora. So first we have added an image, then we're going to add it to the timeline. Okay, once we have added it on the timeline, let's right click here and you'll be able to see a couple of options. So we'll select the crop to fit first, even though we don't have to in this case because the image is fine. And after that we'll select crop and zoom. After we do that, we go to the pan and zoom section, and then here we have two options, start and end. Before we do that, here is the ratio. So we're going to select 16:9. This is the way we're going to do. If you have, like, if you're making a reel or something like that, you just have to select this one, and there are other couple of options. Okay, so this is the start and this is the end. So we're going to make it smaller, and so let's overlap it to see like how. Okay, I think this looks good. Okay, so the red one is the start and the right one, this green one, is the end. So after you do that, I select the apply. Okay, so we're going to play it. First we're going to make it bigger, and now we're going to play it. See, the Ken burn effect is here already, and since we chose longer seconds, like 30 seconds, it's slower. If you want to make it faster, you just have to go here and like reduce it, just like the way you want, actually, and then let's see, this time is much faster. So this is super simple. So this is how you do the Ken burns effect on Filmora or Wondershare Filmora. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video too. Thanks a lot.